When you're working on carpentry stuff, knowing what a rough opening is can totally save you headaches when fitting doors or windows. So, a rough opening is basically the frame space in your wall where the door or window is gonna go, and it's a bit bigger than the actual unit to make sure everything fits right and you can shim or adjust it if needed. To frame one, first measure the door or window unit's size, then add about 2 to 2.5 inches to both the width and height for clearance. You want to build your frame between two king studs that run floor to ceiling on either side. On top, there's a header that goes across to handle the weight above the opening, usually made from doubled up boards. Below, you put a sill plate to support the bottom of the window or door. Then, use trimmer studs inside next to the king studs to support that header and give the rough opening its structure. Make sure everything is level and plumb before you move on so the door or window won't be crooked or hard to open later. One of the biggest mistakes when framing rough openings is not leaving enough extra space around the door or window, which leads to super tight fits that are impossible to shim properly. Fix that by always adding at least 2 inches to width and height. Another common issue is forgetting to use trimmer studs, so the header just sits there without proper support. Always install trimmers inside the king studs for strength. Lastly, people often don't check if their frame is square and level before installing the unit, making doors or windows stick or not close right. Grab a level and measure diagonally to confirm squareness before setting anything in place. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know this stuff inside and out, so you're not stuck guessing or doing it wrong. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get new clients without wasting time chasing leads.